In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payouts on Whop, and it should only take us about 5 minutes. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Whop account. This is essential as it ensures you have access to all the features needed for payout setup. Make sure you have your login credentials handy and that you're using a secure internet connection for privacy and security. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to your dashboard. There you'll find an option labeled Payouts or sometimes Monetization, depending on your interface setup. The dashboard is your control center in Whop, and it's where you'll initiate most of the actions for managing your financials. So, look around and select Payouts or Monetization to get started on configuring how you want to receive your earnings. Now, focus your attention on the Setup Payouts button and click it. This button is typically prominently displayed to guide users through the process seamlessly. By clicking here, you're one step closer to withdrawing your earnings. Next up, it's time to choose your preferred payout method, which is crucial for flexibility and convenience. Common options include bank transfer and PayPal. Think about which option suits your needs the best. For example, bank transfers might be suitable for those who prefer direct deposits, while PayPal is ideal for those who frequently make online transactions. After choosing your preferred payout method, you'll need to enter your payment details accurately. A little tip here. Double check the details you input. An incorrect number or misspelled name could delay your payments. Make sure all the information matches your bank account or PayPal details to avoid any discrepancies. The next step is crucial. You might be asked to verify your information. This part is sometimes required to ensure the security of your financial details and to confirm your identity. Be ready to provide necessary documentation like a photo ID or any other verification method that Whop requests. Doing so helps protect your account and ensures that the payouts are processed smoothly. With your details entered and verified, hit the Save button to activate the payouts. This action is essential as it confirms and stores your payout settings. Once saved, your account is set up to receive payouts automatically based on the criteria you've configured. Finally, take a moment to check the payout schedule and the settings for automatic payments. It's wise to know when to expect your payments and if there are any options for adjusting the frequency. This step helps you stay on top of your cash flow, and you can adjust settings according to your financial planning needs. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up payouts on Whop. To ensure everything runs smoothly, remember to keep your payment details updated and review your settings periodically. Thanks for watching, and happy monetizing.